ma'am, they all have seen the movie.
Okay, so let's begin. How did you all like the film? Yeah, did you all enjoy it? I have to say, you all are the first people who've actually watched the movie. We haven't shown it to the industry, we haven't shown it to the media. My family has not yet seen it. In fact, this movie is for the teachers, so we thought that we'll start with showing the teachers first. So I'm so happy and glad, and thank you for coming. Just to say and repeat the fact that there's no other noble profession than being a teacher. So I salute all of you all first for your contribution to all the students and the contribution that you guys make in the lives of students. It's absolutely amazing. We can't compare it. So on behalf of the whole world, the country, all the students as I've been, thank you for being who you are. Because the contribution you all make to the lives of students, particularly, you know, they go on to become such achievers, leaders, professionals, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you for being who you guys are. And this is a small way of paying a tribute to you guys. My only request is to all you teachers, and that's because you all have liked the film, you must spread the word, because we have done our duty as responsible film people to show your noble profession on screen. Now through you all, I would like you all to take this message forward in your WhatsApp parents group. When you all do your parent-teacher meet, please encourage parents to see this film, because through this film, they will know the struggles that you guys go through every day in your lives. You know, just to put the message across that teaching is not an easy profession. It is a noble profession. It is how you guys go through your daily day when people ask you, how much do you all earn? And every time I always say to this, what a teacher earns is not important. What they do for us is important, and we remember all our teachers for the rest of our lives. So I think that is what is important. And with this film, I'm hoping, and I think it's going to be true, every student in any corner of the world is going to think of his or her favorite teacher and make that one call and say, ma'am, miss, sir, we love you. So that's definitely going to happen with this movie. So please take forward this message. Please tell your families. Please tell your friends to come and watch the movie Hichki with the whole family. And I think that is going to be the biggest success for us. So thank you so much for being here. And I would like to felicitate all of you all for the special work that you all do every day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And we're going to begin with the felicitations now.
Yes, just before we start the felicitation, anybody here who would like to give me some kind of feedback about the film? What did you all like in the film? What was your favorite scene? Does anybody want to share with me? Because I'm really eager to know. You all are the first people watching my movie. Yes, so somebody give the mic, please, here. And sir, please tell me from which school you are and what do you teach?
I'm Dr. Suresh Nair, Principal of Vivek Vidyalaya and Junior College.
Hello,
Goregaon
sir.
West.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. First of all, all the teachers and principals will be thankful to you for making a film like this. The film is very nice, and it has shown the differentiation normally shown in a hi-fi school to keep the rankers in a particular division,
right,
and failures in the other division.
Yes.
And particularly present scenario, this RTE,
yes,
that also has been separately categorized,
yes,
as a
yes,
9F.
Yes.
So it's the actual objective of RTE is not that, to
right,
keep them separate,
right,
to give equal opportunity to all the people.
Right.
But the film has shown that very clearly that thing that shouldn't have done.
Yes.
And definitely it's a very good move from you people.
Yes.
And I request or a suggestion that if the teachers, definitely you are paying a lot for giving this opportunity to all of us.
Yes.
But if all the teachers, not only parents definitely they watch the film.
Yes.
But if the teachers are given whenever it has been released,
Yes.
free ticket.
Yes.
Only for the teachers.
Yes.
Only for the teachers.
Yes.
Teachers and principal.
We are actually starting it
And
with
definitely with the teachers, their husband, their kids, the whole will
they will
come.
get the whole classroom.
Yes, definitely. And one more
Yes,
thing.
yes, Manan, we got to make a note of that.
Majority of the teachers, of course, are ladies.
Yes, I think it's a great idea, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think you've really cracked the idea because every class would be of, say, 20, 25 students or 40 students in some schools.
Madam,
So we give
my school, every class is of 70, 72.
70, 72.
70,
Fantastic.
72 minus
So,
an
sir,
aided school.
So great, sir. So we'll have one teacher coming with 70 students.
Yes.
Come on.
And
1 is to
being-
77.
Being this teacher community, particularly maximum as ladies,
Yes.
and you can understand the publicity how it goes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Does anybody else want to share whether you all got teary-eyed, you all got emotional? What do you all think of the scenes? Does anybody want to share something with me? Please don't be shy. Please tell me because I'm eager to know your reactions. Please.
गुड मॉर्निंग रानी जी.
Yes, good morning.
मेरा परिचय देने की मुझे नहीं लगता जरूरत है. मैं एक
क्यों?
टीचर हूँ.
नहीं,
बस,
वो तो
that is-
superb है, teacher,
that is
लेकिन
enough
आप
for
क्या-
you.
आप क्या
Okay.
पढ़ाते हैं?
मैं हिंदी टीचर हूँ
क्या
सोनल
बात?
वर्तक.
Thank you.
पिक्चर देखते समय हर पल मैं नैना से रिलेट हो रही थी.
जी.
और जब मुझे लगता है कि मैं यहाँ बैठे हुए हर टीचर जब 100% रिलेट हो जाएंगे नैना के कैरेक्टर से,
जी.
तब ये पूरे आसमान को छू लेगी.
Thank
ये
you.
पिक्चर बॉक्स ऑफिस में कितना गल्ला करेगी आई डोंट नो, बट हमारे दिलों पर हाउसफुल हो चुकी है. और आज ही जाकर मैं मैनेजमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करने वाली हूँ कि
जी.
कंपलसरी हर एक टीचर को हम ये पिक्चर देखने जरूर जाएंगे.
Thank you,
एंड
thank
यू आर
you,
माई,
miss.
आज से मैं फैन बन चुकी हूँ. उसके साथ साथ 2 कैरेक्टर प्लीज
जी.
2 कैरेक्टर प्रिंसिपल
जी.
आई लाइक
Yes.
एंड सेकंड वन अरू.
Aru,
और
yes.
मेरा फेवरेट सीन था जब आप अरू को प्रीफिक्स का
जी, badge दे रहे हैं.
मेरे आंखों में पानी था.
Thank
you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you, miss. Thank you. And anybody else, please, I would like to know what you guys feel. Yes, there's a teacher there.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And everyone who's present here.
Yes, ma'am, your name and what do you
Pooja
teach?
Manek, Shantinagar High School headmistress.
Oh, lovely.
Only the scene which was very much related to my heart was when you get a lump in your throat.
Yes.
Every time you go and every time you face the failure
Yes.
that how I'm going to bring up my children.
Yes.
And the one you had crying that now
Yes.
I'm broke.
Yes.
That what I could do now. Further,
Yes.
I'm angry with myself or with my kids.
Right.
What should I do?
Yeah.
Because that is an obstacle, how
Yes.
you will go ahead.
Yes.
So it was awesome. The
Thank
whole
you.
movie was too good, madam.
Thank you,
It's too
ma'am.
good.
Thank you. Anybody else, please? Yes, ma'am.
या, मेरा नाम कविता श्रीयन है
नमस्ते।
और मैं प्राइम एकेडमी स्कूल मरोल से आई हूँ.
Okay.
आपने मतलब हम सब जानते हैं कि a teacher can make a difference in
a student's
even if
life.
one child
Yes.
is a great teacher.
Yes.
And being a Hindi teacher, even I am a Hindi teacher.
जी.
तो हिंदी को लेकर के बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज बच्चों को आती है. मात्राएं
ज़्यादा।
यहाँ से लगानी
जी,
है,
जी।
वहाँ से लगानी है. So every time हिंदी डिपार्टमेंट इज फायर्ड, हमें हमेशा सुनना पड़ता है हिंदी टीचर्स वेक अप. आप लोग क्या करते हैं अभी तक? बच्चों की हिंदी कितनी खराब है हमारे स्कूल
जी,
में.
जी, जी।
इट्स इंग्लिश मीडियम, पहले तो हिंदी बोलने देते नहीं है
जी।
और सब बच्चे हिंदी में ही बात करना चाहते हैं, तो उस पर भी गुस्सा होते हैं. तो आखिर हम करें क्या? तो जब मुझे अभी रिसेंटली 2 दिन पहले एक महिला मिली पेरेंट, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि कविता टीचर, मेरी बेटी आपको बहुत याद करती है. तो बोलती कि शी वॉज द बेस्ट टीचर, हिंदी टीचर आई हैव एवर मेट.
जी.
तो मैंने कहा मुझे तो प्रिंसिपल से गाली सुननी पड़ती है इतनी, तो आप मेरी शायद झूठी तारीफ कर रहे हैं.
जी, जी,
तो
जी।
बोली नहीं सच कह रही हूँ, मेरी बेटी जब से आपसे हिंदी पढ़ी तो उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा, उसे इंटरेस्ट आ गया. एंड नाउ शी इज क्राइंग, शी इज इन 12th
Right.
एंड शी डजंट हैव अ सब्जेक्ट हिंदी.
Right.
वो साइंस लिया उसने इसलिए.
जी, जी, जी।
तो बोल रही थी कि वो बहुत मिस करती है आपको,
जी।
आपने उसको बहुत अच्छा सिखाया.
जी।
मैंने कहा कि नहीं, अभी भी मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा रियली. तो बोलते कि नहीं, जो आप पढ़ाते हो तो उसको जो एक्टिंग करके, आप में थोड़ा एक्टिंग करने में फेमस हूँ.
जी।
मतलब मुझे सीरियल वेरियल करने का भी बहुत शौक था.
जी, जी,
तो
जी।
मुझे बोलते कि आप ना
आप
आंखों से
सीरियल तो
बोलते
बहुत,
हो.
आपको आना चाहिए एक्चुअली सीरियल में. कमाल हो जाएगा.
सास बहू चुड़ैल किसी का भी एक्टिंग कर सकती हो. तो मेरे वो बच्चे लोग बोलते हैं कि आप ना आंखों से बोलते हो.
जी, जी,
इवन
जी।
ये मेरे फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं, वो
जी,
लोग
जी, जी।
सब जब भी प्रिंसिपल कुछ बोल रही होती है, सब मेरे को ही देख रहे होते हैं कि कविता का एक्सप्रेशन क्या चल रहा है,
एक्सप्रेशन क्या
क्या चल रहा है, क्या
तो
चल रहा है.
आपको क्या लगा फिल्म देख के?
नहीं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा
जी।
कि हर एक इंसान में कुछ ना कुछ तो कमी होती
है, जी।
लेकिन अगर उसे समय पर एंकरेजमेंट मिले,
जी।
प्रॉपर तरीके से उसको चैनलाइज करे,
जी।
तो एवरीवन कैन डू समथिंग
Yes, and they can achieve their goals. Yes.
They can achieve
तो
their
यही हमारे फिल्म का
Yes.
प्रेमाइस है और यही हमने दिखाना चाहा है। और मुझे खुशी है कि आप लोग मैं एक्चुअली मनन जो यहाँ खड़े हैं, जो इनका ही ये ब्रेन चाइल्ड है, ये इन्होंने ये पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज किया है और हमारा यही थॉट था इसके पीछे कि हम पहले टीचर्स को दिखाना चाहते हैं क्योंकि हम उनका फीडबैक लेके ही आगे बढ़ना चाहते थे। एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि आप लोग आए, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी। एंड इज देयर एनीबडी एल्स हु वांट्स टू शेयर something? Thank you, Kavita. Yes, there's a ma'am here and there's a ma'am here. Yes, I'm going to come to you. Ji.
Yes, I'm Pallavi Das and I'm from St. Anthony School, Nalasopara.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there is a scene in the movie where the parents tell you कि मेरे बच्चों का ख्याल रखना.
जी.
The parents also bestow a lot of trust on us teachers.
Yes.
So I think that was where I related more to you because
Okay.
there were many parents when they
Yeah.
come to the open house, they usually tell me, Miss, तुम्ही आहात ना म्हणून माझा मुलगा safe आहे.
अरे how
And
sweet. Yes, yes, yes.
many of the parents, they literally share their, personal or problems with what the
Yes.
children face.
Yes, yes.
And why they are not very hyperactive or they don't pay attention.
Right.
And at this time, there were many of them who really told why the children were not excelling well. And I was really, I played an important role in playing and in helping one child like this.
Yes.
So I think that is one thing
Something
where I
that you
related.
really related. Yeah,
Yes.
because I personally feel that for children, after their parents, who do they look up to? It's the teachers. And y'all are the people who actually are responsible for basically the first thing what a child learns outside a home environment is from the teachers. That's why a teacher's contribution is immense in a child's growing up, not only academically, but also as human beings. Because we learn a lot from you guys. So thank you for being who you guys are. And I think a teacher over there. Yes, ma'am.
A very good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon to everyone here. I love the scene where the children
Ma'am,
come
ma'am,
up
your
to
name?
you. My name is Clara. I come
Clara.
from Sri Mumba Devi Khar.
Okay.
Um,
And
of
you
course,
teach?
I teach English.
Oh, lovely.
The movie was definitely very good.
Thank you.
And I love the scene where the children come to you when you are totally depressed.
Yes.
And they look at you as the guiding
Yeah, light.
star.
Yes, yes.
Yes, the teachers are guiding stars.
Yes.
I love that scene.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, there's a lady here. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. I'm from St. Stanislaus, Bandra, and my
Thank
name
you.
is Chitra.
Thank you.
I especially like the way you changed the four walls of the classrooms and coming out and teaching in a different way
Atmosphere,
outside.
yes,
The
yes.
atmosphere changes because
Yes.
as I am the art and the craft teacher, I prefer looking the nature and trying to get into teaching them that way. So
Yes.
I like that idea and I like the way you did it that way. That was
Thank
great.
you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so
so
much. Thank you so much. Should we
Ma'am, I
start?
think
Yeah.
this is it's so amazing. I think इंडिया में फाइनली एक ऐसी पिक्चर आ गई है जो टीचर्स ने देखी, टीचर्स के लिए बनी है एंड
जी।
इस तरह का एंथुजियाज्म जहाँ क्रिटिक्स ने इससे पहले टीचर्स ने देखा. Well, we are going to start with the felicitation now.
Yes, yes.
And I would like to first call upon Mr. Soumitra Prasad, Chief Marketing Officer, CoQ Camlin Limited, to please come up for a photo.
शाळा बाह्य कधीच होणार नाहीत. निदान मॅडमसाठी का होईना मुलं शाळेत येणार आणि आम्ही तेच करतो. आम्ही शाळेत आमच्या तेच करतो, कारण मॅडम ज्या ज्या घरांनी गेल्या, जी मुलं 14 मुलं दाखवली आहेत तशीच मुलं आमच्या एरियामध्ये आमच्या शाळेत येतात. त्या मुलांच्या घरापर्यंत आम्ही शिक्षक जातो, पालकांना उठवतो, मुलांना शाळेत येण्यासाठी भाग पाडतो. कारण मुलं टिकली तर शाळा टिकणार आणि शाळा टिकली तर आपण सगळे शिक्षक टिकणार. शिक्षक टिकला तर मुख्याध्यापक टिकणार, नाहीतर आमचा उपयोग काय? बरोबर आहे की नाही? आणि नाही आणि तर आपलं भारत देश टिकणार.
करेक्ट.
आणि त्यासाठी नैना मॅडमसारख्या मॅडम प्रत्येक शाळेत असल्या पाहिजेत. आपण मुलांपर्यंत पोचायचे, मुलं आपल्यापर्यंत येणार नाहीत, आपण त्यांना आपल्यापर्यंत आणायचे. धन्यवाद मॅडम. आणि आमच्या या कॅमलिनचे अश्विन सर यांनी आम्हाला जी इथं संधी दिली आहे त्याबद्दल खूप खूप धन्यवाद. आणि माझी शिक्षण कोणी म्हटलं की फिल्म मॅडम आमच्यासाठी नाही, त्या मुलांनी पण पाहावी आणि ती फ्री पाहावी. हां, आणि फ्री पाहिजे. खूप धन्यवाद मॅडम. आतापर्यंत पडद्यावर बघितलं, आता प्रत्यक्षात पाहिलं. धन्यवाद.
सगळ्या शाळांमध्ये अशी मुलं असतातच मस्ती करणारी. तर त्या मुलांना टीचरने कशा प्रकारे सांभाळून घ्यायचे आणि त्यांची प्रगती करायची आहे हे आपण सगळ्यांनी यातून शिकायचं आहे. आणि ह्या मुलांना आपण घडवायचं आहे, तरच आपल्या देशाची चांगली प्रगती होणार आहे. एकदम मस्त मॅडम. एकदम मस्त. आणि ते हिचकीची ऍक्टिंग केली ना, असं वाटतं की जन्मापासूनच मॅडम ना आहे. म्हणजे इतकी रिअली एकदम नॅचरल वाटत होती मॅडम. खरंच एकदा परत करून दाखवा ना.
अरे करू दाखवा रूम मध्ये आणि 90 mm स्क्रीन मध्ये.
नाही, छान होतं.
हा माझे आवाज आहे.
मॅडम एक मिनिट, मला थोडंसं बोलायचं म्हणजे काय की मॅडमने एवढं सुंदर काम केलेलं आहे आणि त्याच्यामधून मला एवढंच सांगायचं आहे की शिक्षक हा सहनशील असला पाहिजे. आणि जर तो सहनशील असेल तर सर्वच विद्यार्थ्यांना घडवू शकेल. मॅडमने 14च्या 14 मुलांना घडवलेलं आहे आणि 14च्या 14 मुलं पास झालेली आहेत चांगल्या मार्काने. मॅडम खूप छान काम केलं आणि मला तुम्हाला भेटायची संधी मिळाली याचा आनंद तर मी व्यक्तच करू शकत नाही. धन्यवाद मॅडम.
धन्यवाद.